Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 21st to 27th December. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Pisces, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start Pisces. Pisces general energy, career, business and money situation from 21st to 27th. Pisces general energy, career, business, money. Pisces general energies, career, business, money situation. Last shuffle. Pisces general energies, career from 21st to 27th. Spirits, guides, holy angel. King of Swords, Eight of Cups, Ten of Cups, Ten of Swords, Page of Pentacle, Wheel of Fortune, great, the Hermit. So Pisces, it seems that you're very intelligent. You're working on certain ideas. You have a lot of good ideas, brilliant ideas. You want to work on. You are very confident, charismatic here, and you want to work hard, but you have cut down the intensity of the hard work because you want to be with your family. You want to also celebrate. So work, you want to bring a balance to the work and your work situation and your domestic situation here. So you are in the celebratory mode too. So having good times with friends and family will be the theme of this week, and you will try to execute your brilliant ideas, but the hard work will be done by other people. You will just put in your ideas like that intelligent, very intelligent person giving up his ideas, and the hard work that comes with it will be delegated to your subordinates or to the people you work with, because you want to enjoy, so you will be scaling new heights of success. You will be crowned with success because of the efforts and the work that you put in previously. So this week you want to take it light. You want to be with more into an enjoyment mode. Enjoying means with family, friends. The way it's different for different all of you here, but yes, I do see spending good time here, Pisces. Some of you could also you get this Wheel of Fortune, Page of Pentacle. Definitely some new offer, new opportunity is coming to you. A solid grounded opportunity is coming to you here with the Page of Pentacles. Some Pisces may land up into an intern kind of job wherein you are being paid, and also you get the learning. So this could be here. Some of you could gain sudden, if you were waiting for resources, you could get that, or a monetary benefit also. It could be like some of you getting offers. If you were in a stuck situation, bad situation with the Ten of Swords here, I see you coming out, somebody helping you out with this situation here. Either it could be monetary help, or they helping you get a job if you were in a stuck situation, bad situation wherein you were hurt, or differently it will resonate. But yes, something. And the Wheel of Fortune here changing in your favor. Slowly, you are moving towards the success, the goals that you have set for yourself. You have centered your energies well. Your focus is right. Nobody can stop you from this success. So you are taking the control of the wheels in your hands, and slowly you are moving it towards the success by working hard, by staying focused. This is a major arcana card. It extends to the coming months and ahead, or for the year too. Yes, I definitely see that a lot of growth, lot of happiness, lot of prosperity coming to you here. You will be very clear in what you want, very clear in your communication, and you will delegate meetings. You will delegate your work in a very efficient way. That's also what I get with these cards here. Some of you might also be into the spiritual seeking, spiritual growth, so could visit some pilgrimages, or travel for spiritual growth, for spiritual seeking, for the happy soul, for something soulful that you are looking. some of you, you know, a sudden enlightenment or sudden, if you were stuck in a such situation, you could see that, you know, your intuition or or you could be guided, or a sudden awakening could come on a certain aspect of your life here. If you were dissatisfied, or if you are dissatisfied, or in a kind of a conflicting situation, internal conflicting situations, you will come out. There could be a sudden awakening, sudden, way out to that. Maybe someone, a Virgo person, could help you with this, because the Hermit card is a Virgo card. Or this could be your energy too, you introspecting within, and finding out the answers. That's what I feel here. There is Page of Pentacles. So money can come from various sources. Money can come from various sources. It could be, either from stock market, share market, buying, selling, brokerages, bond, share, buying, selling immovable property, or somebody, just helping you. It could come as a blessing, blessing like from your, maybe extended family, somebody helping you out, or a new job offer which could get you material gains, or money from a deal, a project, something will come to your rescue here, and definitely it is very positive, so it will bring financial gains here. So this is it, Pisces. Let me just now pull out an angel guidance card. Very good week, you are in your best energy, enjoyment, as well as lot of ideas which is like definitely worth working on. You are not confused, you are very clear, analytical, logical, and then you want to implement these ideas in the coming year. So right now you are going through a hectic and an active state in the brain. You are trying to find out more, also gaining knowledge on the ideas that you want to work to. So let's see an angel guidance card. Angel messages. So this is the card of dragon. Discover your courage. So this is the card of dragon. So very beautiful message. Discover your courage. And this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.